and we can change the filament to black. So we will have two filament changes, but we need to slice it, and we have this black cube with this yellow stripe. Hello guys, welcome back. I'm Adam the Bears. This is Orca Slicer, and I'm going to show you today how to change a filament. This filament change will be for Ender 3 v2. If you don't know how to add your printer into Orca Slicer, click this icon over here. Find your printer. In my case, it will be Ender 3 v2. So we will find Creality. You check this box and you confirm. So we do have our Ender 3 v2 already here. So we will do some small modifying. So you go to Machine G code. You need to look for change filament G code and you put there M600. That's your filament G code change. If you have it, now we can see I do have only one filament here that's black, so we can add maybe another one. So I will add ESUN PLA plus yellow. So we are going to change these two colors. I will spawn small cube, so I will make it a little bit larger. So now it is 30 by 30 by 30 millimeters. We can see it here, and the cube is black. So we slice it and we can see it will take about 51 minutes, but we would like to have half of that cube black and half yellow. So we can do it this way. We can go where we want the yellow layer, maybe just like this. I will click this small plus sign and I will click change filament. I will pick yellow, but you can use any color you want. So now we can see everything here is yellow, but the cube doesn't show it's yellow. We need to slice it, right? So this is our black and yellow cube. So we can take a look how it will be printed. We go down right here. This is our first yellow layer, and we can go back all the way to start for the yellow layer, and we can see somewhere here the G code M600. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's on line 5871 for me. So this is our G code for the filament change. So I can move this slider a little bit. So this is our filament change. So it will be printed like this. And we go up. And this is our yellow and black cube. If we want to make it a little bit better, we can go to this plus sign again. And we can change the filament to black. So we will have two filament changes, but we need to slice it. And we have this black cube with this yellow stripe. Guys, if you need some help with the Orca Slicer, please let me know in the comments. And I will try to make another video as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one. This is the way.